Alright, so we got some leaking pipes up here. So no shutoff valves there at all. Whoever did this didn't put none in, so I'm going to put 2 right there to shut the water off while repairs are being done up here. So let's have a look. That water comes up here. Just run it out of the pipes real quick. Run that out. So all that runs out, and once all that runs out, I'll go cut the pipes. I want to drain the back end of the pipes too, so that way I have very little water. Get some of that water out of there. Alright, just keep. Alright, good enough. Let's trim up these cuts real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna get put that first end in real quick. Like so. Not a very tight fit, does it? Oh, barely went in there, huh? Alright, let's go find out. Alright, let's get that water back on at the main. Boom. See how we did it. Good. No more water up there. Let's check our connections. Make sure they're leak free themselves. Yep. Okay. Do a quick transfer just to see, make sure the water stops and no leaks. Same here, give it a little run. Make sure it withstands the pressure fine. Okay, so we now officially have fixed that problem. So that'll stop the leaks, shutoff valves are in. Nice tight seal. Okay, it's holding the water back like it should. Good. Alright, so the tub is off. Shutoff valves were put in. That stopped the water flow. Because if you remember when I left the handles on, now there's nothing. So, now, turn it on, off, nothing at all. Yep, so that's good. It's off. That'll stop the leak now. Alright, all set.